2026 Hottest Interior Design Trends to Reinvent Your Home Vertical Bar, Home Decor, Trends 2026. Interior design in 2026 is taking a bold step forward, embracing a mix of nature-inspired elements, high-tech integrations, and nostalgic revivals that promise to completely reinvent how we experience our living spaces. As people continue to crave comfort, individuality, and purpose in their homes, this year's trends are all about striking a balance between personal expression and functional beauty. If you're ready to elevate your space, here are the defining design directions that will shape homes in 2026. 1. Nature is coming indoors in a big way. In 2026, biophilic design isn't just a trend. It's becoming a lifestyle. This year, we'll see an even deeper connection between indoor spaces and the natural world. Designers are incorporating organic textures like rattan, cane, and raw wood, especially through statement furniture pieces and handmade decor. Large-scale greenery, like indoor trees or vertical gardens, will become key features rather than afterthoughts. Even color palettes are getting earthier, with moss greens, clay browns, and sky blues setting the tone for calming, grounded interiors. The goal is to create a space that feels like an extension of the outdoors. 2. Curves are dominating the furniture scene. Goodbye hard edges, hello soft curves furniture. 2026 is fully embracing rounded shapes in sofas, chairs, and even architectural details like archways and curved walls. This trend is rooted in a desire for comfort and a sense of flow. Organic forms bring a soothing, welcoming vibe to interiors, whether it's a sculptural coffee table or a bubble-shaped sofa. Expect to see a lot more circular rugs, curvy lighting fixtures, and sinuous lines in cabinetry and built-ins. The softness of curves also complements the return of retro styles, giving them a modern update. 3. Smart homes are getting warmer and more discreet. Tech in the home isn't new, but 2026 is refining the way it's integrated. Rather than flaunting tech-forward features, this year is all about invisible innovation. Think smart lighting systems that adapt to your mood, hidden speakers, and multifunctional furniture that quietly houses tech upgrades. AI-enhanced design elements, like voice-activated ambience controls or climate-aware window treatments, are subtly enhancing daily life. What's refreshing is the shift toward warm materials, wood finishes on tech hubs, linen-wrapped speakers, and stone-like surfaces on smart appliances. The future is here, and it's cozy. 4. Maximalism with a twist of personal storytelling. Minimalism is taking a back seat as bold, personality-driven spaces step into the spotlight. Maximalism in 2026 isn't about clutter, it's about intentional storytelling. Designers and homeowners alike are embracing layers of texture, color, and vintage pieces to create one-of-a-kind rooms that reflect their lives and values. Expect gallery-style wall arrangements, bold wallpaper, and eclectic furniture that tells a story. Global influences, personal collections, and heirloom pieces are being mixed with contemporary decor to create homes that feel truly lived in and meaningful. 5. Color palettes are getting warmer and more grounded. Neutrals aren't going anywhere, but they're warming up significantly this year. Cool grays are being replaced by shades like taupe, terracotta, sandstone, and warm beige. These colors work beautifully with natural wood tones and organic textures, creating cozy, elegant environments. Jewel tones are also making a return. Emerald green, sapphire blue, and deep burgundy are popping up as accent colors on walls, textiles, and accessories. In kitchens and bathrooms, rich, moody tones are replacing sterile whites, bringing depth and character to spaces that once leaned minimal. 6. Artisanal and handcrafted details are taking the lead. In contrast to the mass-produced look of recent years, 2026 is all about craftsmanship and character. Handmade pottery, woven textiles, and artisan-crafted lighting are becoming focal points in modern homes. Imperfection is being embraced. Think uneven tiles, hand-carved woodwork, and bespoke finishes. This move toward the artisanal reflects a growing appreciation for sustainable living and supporting local or small-scale makers. Homeowners are curating their spaces with unique, story-rich objects that celebrate both beauty and authenticity. 7. Statement ceilings and floors are the new accent walls. Walls aren't the only place where design is getting bolder. Ceilings and floors are taking center stage in 2026. Decorative ceiling treatments like wood slats, textured paint, or wallpaper are turning once-forgotten areas into major style moments. On the floor, patterned tiles, herringbone wood, and bold rugs are being used to define spaces and add depth. These eye-catching details give rooms a finished, curated look, allowing for creativity even in the most structural aspects of design. 8. Vintage and retro influences are coming back with a modern twist. Mid-century modern and 70s design never really left, but 2026 is reimagining these classics with fresh energy. Expect a mix of bold patterns, playful shapes, and rich materials like velvet, walnut, and chrome. The key difference now is balance. Instead of going full retro, designers are blending vintage finds with sleek contemporary touches. A vintage chair might sit next to a futuristic lamp, or a retro-inspired color scheme might be used in a modern minimalist room. The result is a fusion of nostalgia and now. 9. Multifunctional spaces are more important than ever. As remote work and hybrid lifestyles continue, homes are being designed to do more. In 2026, you'll see furniture that transforms, like expandable dining tables, hidden desks, or modular sofas that shift with your needs. Designers are creating flexible layouts with sliding partitions, built-in storage, and dual-purpose rooms that can evolve throughout the day. The emphasis is on seamless transitions, from work to rest, from hosting to relaxing, without sacrificing style or comfort. 10. Sustainable materials are the new luxury. Environmental consciousness is a major design driver this year. Sustainability isn't just a trend, it's becoming a design standard. Homeowners are prioritizing materials that are renewable, recycled, or low impact, from bamboo flooring to recycled glass countertops. Designers are also spotlighting eco-friendly insulation, paints, and textiles. What's exciting is that these green choices are no longer dull or limited. They're now available in luxurious finishes and modern styles, proving that sustainability and sophistication can coexist beautifully. As 2026 unfolds, home decor is reflecting a deep desire for authenticity, comfort, and connection, both to nature and to our personal stories. These trends invite you to create a space that doesn't just look good, but feels right. Whether you adopt one or embrace them all, this year's design directions offer endless inspiration for reinventing your home with heart, soul, and intention.